Hi guys, I'm Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel, a place where learning finance is the new passion. So guys, I warmly welcome you all to my new video on finance. And in this video, we are going to understand what is limited in a company's name XYZ Limited. In the last video, we had categorized companies into three categories basis the number of members or the number of shareholders, right? OPC, private company, public company. In this video, we are going to categorize companies on the basis of the liability. These can be categorized into two categories, limited and unlimited. You must have come across various companies like Tata Motors Limited, HDFC Limited, Yes Bank Limited, Vodafone Idea Limited. Guys, what is this limited? Forget about these big companies. In your own locality, Ramneek Bhai Enterprises Private Limited. What is this limited in this company? Limited is nothing but limited by liability. Let us understand this with a very simple example. Suppose I own a company and I have taken a 100 crore rupees loan from the bank, and now I am into losses and I am not able to repay the amount back to the bank. Now what will bank do? Of course it will try and recover its money, and now due to I am in losses and I have a very big amount of debt, I have to close my company, and this process is nothing but called as winding up process. Now while recovering the total loan amount from me, the bank will try and sell my assets. In Hindi we generally call it Nilami Kar Dena. Now if your company is a limited company, then the bank can only sell the assets which are under the company's name. It cannot come to you and sell your own car or your own bungalow. It will not touch your personal assets. But if your company is an unlimited company, then the bank can also try and sell your bungalow, your car and every personal asset to recover their loan amount. Limited companies can be further classified into two categories. Number one, limited by shares, and number two, limited by guarantee. Coming to the first one, limited by shares. In this, the liability of the members are limited to that amount which is unpaid on the shares held by them. Now, let us understand this with a simple example. If I own a company's shares which are worth rupees 1 lakh rupees and I have only paid 70,000 to them, now remaining 30,000 rupees is my liability which is pending, which I need to pay back, correct? Now in future, if the company goes bankrupt and the bank or the creditors come to recover their amount of money, they can sell all the assets of the company and they can also recover money from me. But it will be limited because I have the liability of only those pending 30,000 rupees. They cannot recover more than 30,000 rupees from me or from any shareholder who has that unpaid amount of money. Coming to the second category, companies limited by guarantee. Now in these kinds of companies, there are no shares and therefore there are no shareholders. Instead, these companies will have members. Now these members have to give a guarantee of certain amount of money in case the company has too much amount of debt. Now let us understand this with a simple example. For example, if I am a member of certain company and I have given a guarantee of like 50,000 rupees, and tomorrow if the company is bankrupt and the banks have come to the company to sell the assets and recover all the amount of money, then I am only liable to give away that 50,000 rupees because I have only guaranteed those 50,000 rupees. And the banks or the creditors cannot ask me any amount of money more than 50,000 rupees because my company is a company limited by guarantee. Hope you guys like my content. If yes, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you feel that my content has added value to your knowledge, then please share it with your friends and your family. If you want any video on a specific topic, then you can let me know it in my comment section. Until then, take care and bye bye.